In this video, I'm going to talk about preparation for coming out to the Philippines to either visit or even to live. Stay tuned. Okay, so a lot of this is going to pertain to coming out here to move to the Philippines and not necessarily just visit. So let's start off with number one, and that would be making sure your passport is not near expiration. Same with your driver's license, same with your credit cards, your ATM cards, all of that. Even if they're within like a year, you can still go and have a new ATM card done, push the expiration date further out. Credit cards, you can do the same. You can do the same with a passport. You can renew it and get another 10 years added on, or not added on from the point it expires, but you can redo it and just let them know, hey, I'm going to be out of the country for a long time and I want to have it redone. And you'd also want to do that with your driver's license. If it's coming up within a year or so, make sure you go in and get that taken care of too. So make sure all your expiration dates on everything is pushed further out. Second thing, you're going to notify your credit card companies, your bank, that you are out of the country and let them know what country you're going to be in using your money or your cards. Third, if you're going to bring, I'm not going to go into all the currencies, but if you're going to bring dollars, for instance, to the Philippines and you're going to exchange those, make sure they're of the highest currency, $100 bills. You want to make sure they are brand new, crisp. Put them in an envelope, make sure they're nice and safe. They won't take any money that's defaced. They won't take it, even if it's just got a little teeny tear on it. They won't take it. They will not exchange it. And you also get a better exchange rate when you have a higher denomination. Okay, so you want to get $100 bills. Don't bother with $1 bills, $5 bills, 10, 20. Stick to $100 bills, brand new, crisp. Go to the bank and get those. And keep them safe and crisp and clean and away from any kind of defacing or tearing. Okay, another thing that you should do is you should make copies of your passport ahead of time. In the U.S., you can get a small little passport identification card. I recommend that. You can also just take your passport, have it shrunk down, make a copy, shrink it down, and have it laminated, because you don't ever want to carry your passport around when you go out and around the Philippines here. I recommend don't carry a lot of cash with you. Just take what you need when you go out. The other thing is you want to have emergency notifications, people notified where you're going to be. Let them know the hotel address. Make sure you sign up for Airbnb. You can find that link down below. You can get up to a $55 discount, and you can book that ahead of time, book your flights and everything. The other thing is you do want to have travel and medical insurance. It's very inexpensive, even if you're just coming out here for a short period of time or you're going to live out here. I have partnered up with a really great company, probably one of the most inexpensive companies out there. Now, they do only insure up to the age of 69. The price is going to be different per age bracket. But medical, they do, of course, hospital, room and nursing services, intensive care, ambulance, urgent care, physical therapy, chiropractic, emergency dental, and other medical expenses. Travel, they have trip interruption, travel delay, lost checked luggage, natural disaster, emergency medical evacuation, and liability. You guys can click on my link down below in the description and sign up for that. I highly recommend it. You just never know what could happen on your trip. Better to be prepared. This insurance also can be long-term, so you can just click on the information and sign up down below. So I highly recommend that as well. Make sure when you come out here you have all your medication that you need from back home. Make sure you have extra just in case. Maybe put it in 2 different locations in your suitcase. make sure you have your razors if you have a preferred razor. Everything else you can purchase out here. It's not a big deal. Even clothes. If you're a regular size type of guy, then clothes are no problem. You can buy them cheap. I mean, this Under Armour shirt here I bought for like 200 pesos, which is $4. So often I'll come out here and I won't even bring a lot of clothes. What I'll do is I'll travel out to a new location. I won't bring much. I'll just a small backpack, and I know I'll just purchase a few items at the store, and it makes it easy. So that kind of brings me to one of the last things I'm going to talk about, and that's just traveling light. A lot of guys just come out here and they carry so much stuff. They feel like they need 5 pairs of shoes, one for hiking, one for something for the beach, something for going out on a date. And honestly, everything's casual here. You don't need a whole lot. You can wear t-shirts and shorts and sandals, a baseball cap, and people are totally fine with that. And it's almost good for any occasion. There's not really restaurants here that are going to say, oh, you can't come in, you don't have a nice collared shirt and a tie. Leave all that stuff back home. You don't need it. If you end up needing it, you can purchase it here. It's not a big deal. So do yourself a favor, travel and pack as lightly as possible. You can purchase whatever you need out here. One thing that I do travel with is like a little Fire Stick or Apple TV that you can plug into the USB of your TV. And then you can get Netflix and YouTube and other channels, and you just need to connect to the Wi-Fi of your Airbnb or where you're staying at the hotel. And you have everything at your fingertips that you want to watch and entertainment. And it's great if you have a date, let's say you've been dating a girl a few times and you want to invite her over to watch a movie. Well, you have that. You can just turn on Netflix and, watch something. It makes it easier than flipping through and finding the telenovelas, the movies in Tagalog or Visayan, and it's just much better. So I'd probably recommend a Fire Stick because they're very small, easy to bring. Even if you're just traveling or moving out here, bring one of those. Highly recommend it. So when you come out here, make sure your phone is unlocked from your carrier like AT&T, Verizon, whoever you have. So when you get to the airport, often you will see Globe and Smart. They will often give out free SIM cards. They do that in order so you can sign up with their plan and spend money through their company. So often at the airport, you can go right over to the Globe desk. They will fit in a SIM card for your phone. You can purchase some load, and they'll set you up on a calling, texting, data plan, and you're good to go. You can do that right at the airport. Or you can wait till you get into your hotel and you can do that at the mall. The other thing I recommend is downloading a Grab application for your phone right away in your home country. Sign up for that. Usually you're going to need your local phone number in the Philippines to complete the signing up. It makes it very handy. Another one that's good to use in most of the major cities, you can sign up for a service called Food Panda. And Food Panda delivers food, and it's pretty much opens up a wide variety of restaurants from all over, and they will deliver it right to your hotel room or your Airbnb. And so that is another app I recommend, and I'll scroll those across. So Grab, Food Panda, download those two. Again, that's pretty much it. If you guys have other ideas and things that you should prepare ahead of time, comment down below. We'll have that discussion. Again, follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Gio in the Philippines. Sign up for my Patreon account for a dating and marriage course, and check out exclusive videos that you can only see through my Patreon account. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.